noodles, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got one that was sent in by James from Lakeside, California. Thank you very much, man. This is a Vietnamese variety. This is by Miliket. This is the spare rib flavor instant noodles, MiliOne v Suon, I think. Not really sure how to pronounce Vietnamese properly, so I figure maybe I got it right, but probably not. So let's see what we got here. Comes with a handy trident for ruling over the sea, and yeah. Don't exactly need that today, but what we do need is our powder base. Grab a pair of scissors. Yeah, it is cold outside, baby. And it is 2 days until my daughter's birthday, and it is 10 days until Santa comes down the chimney. I guess he comes down the chimney upstairs. We live on the second floor. If we lived on the third floor, Santa would come down the stairs, but unfortunately, down the chimney, he has to come down the stairs here. We really apologize to Santa for the inconvenience of having to actually do more of a delivery that way, but you know, what can you do? We could poke a hole in the ceiling, but I don't think that would behoove the folks upstairs nor our landlord, so that's how it's gotta go. But today I'm doing my reviews before I walk, because it's currently, it says 28. When I got up it said it was 25 outside, so that's like viciously cold. So I don't want to get colder than I already am. But yeah, what's happening, humanity? I don't know. Things are happening. Things are afoot. Fusion! That's what's happening. Hopefully nobody's recreated the sun. Where we go? 1, 2, 3. 3 minutes? Yeah. Nuclear fusion is going to happen whether we like it or not. And I like it because nuclear fusion means basically inexhaustible energy. That's nice. That's really nice. And once they shrink down the stuff required to do nuclear fusion, you might go to the store and buy a battery. They'll probably charge a bazillion bucks for them, but the need for, like, if you got a battery that was a fusion battery, all you need is just like lasers. That's the whole thing. So they take a little bit of deuterium, just a little, you can get that down at your corner store, and then shoot lasers at it, and it causes it to causes the effect of fusion. Oh, the box is in the way, you can't even see it. And then it makes energy, and the problem was before that the energy it would make wasn't as much as the energy it took. So it's like the whole concept, you might have heard about this in school, getting more out and putting less in. That was like a big thing. Is there any way you can get more from doing less? And it's like, no. And so this would cause you to get more from doing less. These are holiday gifts that I have to ship, if you were wondering. But I want you to be able to see my desk, because that's my new thing that I do. I put something weird on the computer screen. And yeah, what is that in the way? Oh no, you can see it. See under my desk? Yeah, I did a thing. Went to the thrift store, got this string of lights that is supposed to go around your mirror. I guess when you're doing your makeup and all that, oh, I gotta look pretty for the day, I gotta smell good. But I don't do that. But I got these lights, and I don't know why they strobe, or they're just on, or so the kids love hanging out under my desk. They just love it, and yeah, it'll do this pulsing. So I figured that would be like the easiest way for you to see it. It's really not a necessity. Why you got your funny lights under the computer, Ramen Raider fella? Guy, dude, buddy? I don't know. It was $5 and it was a fun project. Pulled everything out. They had like this 3M sticky tape. All under the lip of the desk. And I think it's cool. No. There. Alright, so it is done. We will stir and see what happens. Pork, I'm guessing pork spare ribs flavor ramen. Instant noodle. It's Vietnamese, but it's made for the US market. You can tell from the packaging. I don't know. But giving it a good stir, a hearty stir, a well-intentioned mixing. So yeah, I just made a Christmassy thing. God, I hate Christmas. It's such a stressor, you know. It's like, what do I get for people? I don't know. Maybe everybody will get me money to put back in the bank, the money that I had before Christmas. That's what I want. The security of money. Cheers. Mm. Mm. Wow. Kind of sweet, a little heat. Noodles kind of meh. Some broth. Yeah. This stuff has an interesting ingredient inside. What is it called? Aji Aroma M-M100. The Aji part, I guarantee it has to do with Ajinomoto. And Ajinomoto is the company that... No, I don't want that one. I don't want that one. I want this one. Ajinomoto is a company that makes MSG. They're the people who invented MSG. Don't have a problem with MSG. Sodium, salt, glutamate, you need that. Yeah. I'm not going to get into the MSG argument with you. Some people are like, oh, it makes you sick. It's bad. It's not. Not really. You need glutamates. They're naturally occurring. So I don't have any ribs. However, I do have chashu that I'm just going to cut up thusly. A bit of extra thus. And put that over this. If you're wondering, diet is going well. I've been walking about 10 miles a day and enjoying about 1,500 calories. And it's weird, but it's good. I mean, I feel freaking wonderful. Honestly. A lot of the time I just feel hungry. But it's not because I'm like actually hungry. It's just because I'm like used to eating all the time. And that's what I'm trying to get away from. But it's working good. Merry Christmas to me. Happy holidays and such. Look at that. Just look at that. God, why is this kitchen door closed? Yep. Yeah, I want to get out walking. Yesterday, though, it was like, I want to be able to talk to my brother on the phone. And his time schedule's a little different than mine, so I think it'll work out better today. But I'll get out the door a little bit later. That's a little silly here. I like that. That's kind of neat. All right.
What's wrong, Ramen Raider? Why are you making so much noise? Why are you doing stuff the way you're doing it?
I don't know how else to do it. Ugh. Come on, don't screw up now. Okay. And here we go. Rock and roll, baby.
A little fried onion.
Okie dokie. Well, ladies and James, the next one that you will witness is from the Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Reader for a discount. This is Ace Cook. Funny characters in collaboration with yeah. So it's 3 minutes. Where's the water? I gotta go look at the water amount. But and I'll remember the name of it. So yeah. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye.